Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Computer Education. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, please click on bell icon to get more notification of my future videos. Okay friends, today's topic is how to insert company logo on sales invoice. Regarding this topic today I will explain you. Okay friends, I have already created one company and I have already created ledgers and transaction also. But now we move to how to set up company logo in Tally Prime. Okay, so come, go to daybook, display more report, select daybook. So select sales invoice. Okay, so press Alt P, go to configuration. So in configuration, select show more. So go to include company logo applicable to print, export, share. So you have to enable this configuration, set to yes. Okay. So in earlier version, it was showing in by pressing F11 accounting features. Okay friends. Okay, so once again I will show. See here, set to yes or press enter. Press enter, select your company. See, include company logo applicable to print, export, share, set to yes. So here you have to specify your logo folder path. Okay, select from drive. So my logo is in D drive. My folder name is company logo. My file name is powertool.jpg. That is the logo file name. So it will support only JPG format. Okay, select JPG. Control A, accept. Okay, so now press Control P. Go to preview, press I. See, so logo has appeared on invoices. Okay, so in this way you have to enable company logo in Tally Prime. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video.